The other question was, how do I bulk share? So there is a fairly new, as of I think last year, bulk sharing tool. It's up in the right hand corner on your mobile app, and it looks like like a wrench crossing like this, a little literally tool. Click on there, and then you go down to share to followers. And then what happens when you click that, you open up into your whole closet, but there's little circles. You do have to click every listing that you want to share. When you used to have to share, you'd have to open every listing and then share it. So this is click all the ones you want to share, and then you hit bulk share, and then you leave it, and it shares the whole thing for you. So that is the only way to bulk, in theory, share your closet to your followers. And the reason they do that, again, is because of the algorithm and the fact that it's a social app. They need you to interact on your account.